Most beginner traders focus on strategies, indicators, or signals, but the truth is none of that matters if you don't understand volatility and liquidity. These two factors decide whether you can actually make money in the markets. In this video, I will break it down in a simple, practical way so you can finally understand what really drives trading opportunities. Volatility is how much and how fast price moves. Low volatility means the market is slow and flat. High volatility means big, fast price swings. For day traders, volatility is essential because no movement means no profit opportunities. More movement means more chances to trade. But high volatility also increases risk because price can move sharply against your position. Liquidity is how easily you can buy or sell an asset without affecting its price. High liquidity means many buyers and sellers, tight spreads, fast execution. Low liquidity means fewer participants, wider spreads, slower, riskier execution. Liquidity is what allows traders to enter and exit positions smoothly. Here's the key concept. You need both volatility and liquidity to trade effectively. Why? Because volatility creates movement, it's profit potential. Liquidity creates stability, safe execution. The best trading setups always combine both. Let's compare. Large US stocks like Apple or Nvidia often have high liquidity, strong volatility during news or earnings. This makes them ideal for day trading. Now compare that to small, low-volume stocks. They might move aggressively, but liquidity is weak, spreads are wide, execution is unreliable. That's why experienced traders avoid them. So remember, volatility gives you opportunity, liquidity gives you control. If you understand these two concepts, you already have a major advantage over most beginners traders. If you like this video, please subscribe for more beginner-friendly trading and AI investing tutorials. Thank you for watching.